This is December 22nd, 2010, and I'm standing on the upper level of the Fashion Valley parking garage behind the mall, and we're looking at a great example of the San Diego River at flood stage. According to the U.S. Geological Survey stream gauge, not too far from this location, the discharge of the river right now is approximately 10,000 cubic feet per second. There's the trolley stop coming into view, and as I continue to pan to the right, you can see a couple of cars that are partially submerged in the Fashion Valley parking lot. Today is a great example of the different character of a river at high discharge versus low discharge. Typically in the summertime at this location, the San Diego River may only flow with a discharge of a few cubic feet per second. Of course, right now it's perhaps 3 orders of magnitude above that.